Tulog-tulog na yun ako sipon. So, to tatay. Tay, salamat kayo sa imong pagsabot o sa imong pagdawat sa among relasyon. Usapog ka sa nakahatag o kusog sa mua. Then to Julia, Jules, Queen, thank you kayo for your understanding. I appreciate it so deeply. To Lolo and to Lola, no? Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tambag na okay na June ang tanan basta magkasinabot. Your smiles gave me peace actually. No? So you are actually the living testament na kanang in this world. It's not just happiness matters. So ana naging siya. To my office family, ay, Ma'am MJ and John, salamat kayo sa inyong mga advice sa pagdawat nga bisan kinsa di ay na di ay weaknesses. I may be tough at work, but here I am, soft and thankful, and you really are my strength. Thank you for the hugs. Thank you for holding my hands. John, dagan kaing salamat. Thank you, Ma'am LJ, sa hugs. Dagan salamat yun sa mga hugs, sa inyo, mga advices. Sometimes makalimot yun di ay kabanong. Maski pag sa to RR, thank you kayo, R, sa itong first meeting. Thank you kayo. Dagan kaing salamat sa inyo, Ma'am. To Grandma who is not here, thank you for your messages. I read them all. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Tapos to Nanay, I hope I can call you Mommy if you allow me. And I understand how you feel, no, truly, and I'm sorry. Tapos to the sisters of Kit, I never meant to hurt you. Sa tinunanay lang, I'm so sorry if I did. I'm really very sorry if I did. One thing for sure, no, yes po, I am old, but I'm not a bad person. Walang ginagawa ko, I'm not a bad person. Hindi po kastuya ako. And then, and to my sisters as well, sorry if I did hurt them, you know, for doing all this. Kung mali did me, I'm really very sorry. And to you, young man, thank you. Dapat siguro may kapapirma, pwede pa siya kamudagan, pwede siya as in, if you want to, no, I'm okay, I can live my life, you can live your own life. Pwede rin siya kayo, you may hope to follow people, other people, your mom, you can hope to follow them. So, wala ka, ikaw yun. So, mo to, no, saan ako dapit? Through every trial mo, mga alatong nagyaan, you stayed, and thank you. Through every storm, you helped me, thank you. And you are my angel, my unexpected miracle. You taught me the beauty of honesty. Grabe akong struggle, ani kabalok ka. You showed me the strength in being vulnerable, the courage to walk by faith, and most of all, you led me back to God. Salamat sa pag-aagap sa buwa, pabalik sa simbahan. You reminded me that love is rooted in grace, and you protect me, calm my heart, calm my fears, and love me in ways no one else ever has. So even in the smallest things, pwede man di ay tama happy.